Around 1200 BC, the Trojan War between Greece and Troy supposedly ended when the Greeks used a wooden horse to sneak into the city and take it by force. But why was the statue designed as a horse? Why not a Greek lion? Or a Greek bull? There had to be a specific reason the Greeks chose a horse to trick their enemies in Troy. According to the 2006 book, The Trojan War, A New History, there would have been no question about whether a statue of an animal would catch the Trojan king's fancy. Bronze Age monarchs liked animal imagery. But which animal should the Greeks build at Troy? A Trojan dog would have been insulting. A Trojan lion, frightening. A Trojan bull or cow would have thrown Greek cattle raids in the enemy's teeth. And besides, bull imagery is often associated with Greece. And the Trojans would not have liked a wooden rabbit either. But a horse symbolized war, privilege, piety, popularity, and Troy itself. Rulers of the era often sent horses as a gift between kings. Plus, the horse was all but an admission of Greek war guilt, a symbolic submission to the gods of the horse-taming Trojans. Prince Hector's helmet included a crest of horsehair. Though, to be fair, many of the Greek helmets did too. And the bravest Trojan soldiers had horses engraved on their shields. Isn't that right? The banner of the princes of Troy shows a stylized horse, and when Prince Hector was buried, the last lines of Homer's Iliad include a special title for him. Gathered together, those who buried Hector dined on a splendid meal in the house of Zeus-nourished Priam, the king. In this way they held the funeral for Hector, tamer of horses. There have been many depictions of the Trojan horse in the last 3,000 years. But whatever it would have looked like, according to author Barry Strauss, the statue must have been an impressive sight to behold. The famous horse may be imagined as a tall, well-crafted wooden structure, towering over the wildflowers of the Scamander River plain. Its body is made of the pine of Mount Ida, a tree known today as Pius equi Trojani, the Trojan horse pine, and renowned since antiquity as a material for shipbuilding. The horse's eyes are obsidian and amber, its teeth ivory. Its crest, made of teal horsehair, streams in the breeze. Its hooves shine like polished marble. And hidden inside are 9 Greek warriors. And so, King Odysseus's idea of tricking the Trojans with a wooden horse certainly was a stroke of genius. Sun Tzu, the Chinese war strategist from the 4th century BC, would have been proud of him, for he wrote, "All warfare is based on deception. Therefore, when capable, feign incapacity; when active, inactivity. When near, make it appear that you are far away; when far away, that you are near. Offer the enemy a bait to lure him, feign disorder and strike him." Thus, those skilled at making the enemy move do so by creating a situation to which he must conform. They entice him with something he is certain to take, and with lures of ostensible profit, they await him in strength. Know the enemy and know yourself. In 100 battles you will never be in peril. The story of the Trojan horse is the most famous story of deception, the ancestor of centuries in which tricks have been used to overturn a powerful enemy or to turn an uncertain outcome into a victory. And that is how the Greeks were able to exploit the Trojan love for, and perhaps weakness, for horses. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, Subscribe to this channel for new videos every week or two, and see the description below for a list of books, films, and online resources featured in this video.